Have you ever wondered why the market loves to fake you out? 1 minute, it's crashing through support like it's game over for the bulls, and then, bam, it shoots back up like it's risen from the dead. What's going on here? Why does this V pattern keep showing up, and why is it so damn powerful? Stick with me, it's a skeptic from a Skeptic Lab, and I'm gonna break it down for you step by step, no fluff, just raw truth. Picture this, you are watching the market heart racing as a price smash through a key support level. You are thinking that's it, the buyers are toast, sellers are flexing and looking like they have just burned the house down. But then something weird happens. The price doesn't just crawl back, it's exploded upward, leaving everything stunned. This, my friend, is the V pattern. Let's dive into why this happens. So let's get real. When a support breaks down, it looks like the buyers failed to hold the line, right? They were there, fighting hard, but the sellers showed some serious strength, almost wiping out the buyers, main foreigners at that support level. It's like the sellers stormed this castle and thought they won, but then, plot twist, something strange happened. The buyers pushed the price back above support. It's like they've been reborn from death itself, stranger than ever. Now, here's the deepest stuff. This comeback isn't just luck, it means the buyer somehow managed to liquidate all the sellers. For those who don't know already, when a short position gets liquidated, it's not just closing trade, it means a buy order just got opened. That's how short positions work. So, what do we have now? We've got the original buyers who held their ground plus a flood of new buy order from those liquidated shorts. And together they create this explosive upward move. That's how um, the V pattern in action. Fake out that trick sellers, followed by a surge that catch everyone off guard. That's why the V pattern is so wild. It's a battle between buyers and sellers where the underdog flips the script and comes out on top. Next time you see a support break and then a quick reversal, you'll know what's up. So, if you want more market secret like this, smash that subscribe and that boost button and follow me on SKB Lab crew, and let's keep decoding the markets together. It's the skeptic off, trade smart, and let's grow together.